Hello, I'm Percy. We will learn about cathode ray tubes. The cathode ray tube is a vacuum tube containing one or more electron guns, the beams of which are manipulated to display images on a phosphorescent screen. These are widely used in oscilloscopes, TV, and a computer set. It modulates, accelerates, and deflects electron beams onto the screen to create the images. Into the history, cathode rays were discovered by Julius Plucker and Johann Wilhelm Hittorf. First invention was a television set, so we may have to show you a schematic diagram. Cathode ray tube consists of three various sections: the electron gun assembly, deflection plates, and a phosphor screen. The electron gun assembly consists of an indirectly heated cathode, a control grid surrounding the cathode, a focusing anode and an accelerating anode. In the control grid, a negative voltage on the grid will repel the electrons back toward the cathode so fewer get through to the anode. For positive voltage, it controls the current of electrons reaching the anode. For about the deflection plates, it consists of X and Y plates. The electrons can deflect in any position, thus creating a waveform, used in oscilloscopes. And finally, a phosphor screen. It consists of tiny pixels. The electrons can strike the screen with a very high velocity. The inner side of screen is coated with phosphor. There are three colors of pixels, namely red, green, and blue, abbreviated as RGB, controlled by the electron gun. Red electron gun will display the pixel red, green gun for the green pixel, and blue gun for the blue pixel respectively. Related to computer screen, RGB pixels to form white color, same as in a TV set. These three functions work in a glass envelope. You know the computer teaching assistant, Ben Tennyson, will find out how does screen pixel work. Hello Ben.
Hey there, you're back.
Did you know about the screen pixels?
Yes, of course, for computer screens.
Tell me how pixels are used in computer screens.
Okay, for what type of hardware?
Cathode ray tubes.
Well, Percy, even though vacuum tubes were used back in the 50s, according to ENIAC. That is electronic numerical integrator and computer.
Then what?
Although the next generation used transistors in the 1960s. Then very large-scale integration in the 70s. Screen pixels use RGB, that is red, green, and blue.
I know, Ben, I know. Same way in the TV screens too.
Computers use Microsoft Windows according to Intel Corporation. I can measure screen pixel in hexadecimal form. Each color ranges from 0 to 255, that is from 0 to FF. There are 8 possible colors from black to white. Red is FF0, green is 0FF0, and blue is 0FF.
Okay. When all the colors combine, they form white pixel. If none, we get a black screen. Red and green produce yellow light. Green and blue produce cyan light. And red and blue produce magenta light. Thus, RGB for light is a complement of CMYK for printing.
So, see you then.
See you. So, you'll learn about the next features later for the cathode ray tube. Like, comment, and subscribe now.